Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2020 Kia Sportage and we're going to do the door panel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the look of the vehicle and it gives it a sportier look as well. Link for the product will be down in the description below. So with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the panel. So you can use any cleaning solution that you have, just as long as you're able to remove the contaminants or any wax or any solution that the panel might have. And also we want the panels to be dry before we do the installation. Okay, so we're going to start off with this piece for the installation. So to start off, just align it right on the edge first and make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome on the outer side of the panel. Once you tack down this section, you can start working on installing the rest of the film here and also for this section here. And then use your squeegee to start tacking it down. And for this one, when you do trim the excess material, make sure you're giving yourself enough material to cover the chrome. Don't cut too close to the chrome, because if you cut almost exact, you might expose the chrome. So make sure you give yourself enough material, that way you cover all of the chrome sections. So trim off here and trim off here. And now we're going to apply heat, that way we help tack down the film and then we can remove any excess material after. And now trim off the excess material. Now we move on to the door panel. Okay, so start off by aligning the edge of the film right on the edge of the panel here. So align it to the edge first and use the bottom half of the panel as a guide in order to align the rest of the film. Once you place the film, you can start tacking it down. And if you are going to tuck in, just remember to give yourself enough material to cover inside. But if you're going to trim, do the same thing. Just make sure you're giving yourself enough material too. So see where the film is at and just start trimming the excess material. And then grab your heat gun and apply heat onto the panel, that way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And don't forget to trim off the last remaining excess material here. And the same steps that we did for this piece, we would just rinse and repeat for the remaining 3 panels here. So for the bottom piece, the rear upper piece, and the lower rear piece. So just rinse and repeat. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece of the door panel here. So with this one, just start by aligning it on this side first. So give yourself enough material to cover the edge here. So it doesn't have to be too much, just a little bit in order to cover the edge. And then just help it align like that. And then just finish off with installing the rest of the film. And then just do the same for the bottom section here. For fingers like these that you see here in the middle section here, squeegee going sideways. Don't try to squeegee going towards them. Go at an angle. That way we do not crease the film. So it's better to squeegee sideways. And now we're just going to apply heat. That way we start helping the film tack down to any curves. And then after that, we will trim off the excess material.
Once you're done trimming all the excess material, just use the heat gun to go around one more time just to help out tack down any film that's still lifting around the curves, and make sure we just help it secure faster. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish installing the whole kit is just pulse heating the whole panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and the film doesn't lift over time as well. So just grab your heat gun and go section by section to pulse heat the whole film.
Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the side door chrome delete installation for the 2020 Kia Sportage. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.